Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Mercedes-Benz has dropped the first official teaser of the upcoming Vision EQXX fully electric concept car dubbed as the most efficient vehicle the brand has ever built. The teaser reveals the aerodynamic profile of the EQXX and confirms its debut on January 3 in CES 2022 in Las Vegas. From the side, the Vision EQXX looks like a more production-ready evolution of the 2015 Mercedes-Benz concept IAA with a similar shaped window line, 4 doors, and a long sweeping tail. Unlike its futuristic predecessor, the new concept comes with conventional mirrors, door handles, and LED lighting units that are seemingly close to production. Previously, Mercedes COO Markus Schäfer had disclosed that the prototype will have a remarkable real-world range in excess of 1,000 kilometers or over 620 miles. Mercedes refers to the Vision EQXX as a software-defined research prototype, underscoring its aim to be a leading brand in terms of electric mobility and car software. The concept was realized in record time thanks to cross-functional development teams and will use a cutting-edge electric drivetrain, and benefit from lightweight engineering and sustainable materials. It is a part of a technology program aiming at breaking through technological barriers and lifting energy efficiency to new heights, and will demonstrate the gains that are possible through rethinking the fundamentals from the ground up. We guess that Mercedes-Benz will continue the teaser campaign before the world premiere that is scheduled for January 3, 2022, at 6 p.m. CET, from the Mercedes-Me digital platform. Then, the full-scale prototype of the car will be showcased at CES 2022 in Las Vegas between January 5 and 8 as the main highlight of the Mercedes-Benz stand.